This movie is really interesting, Marty. It's 2015. Shouldn't we have hoverboards and flying cars by now?
What?
You mean like engineers and technologies? Shouldn't we have the capabilities to build those things?
I mean, I guess.
Wait a second. Didn't I get in the mail a flyer for the career fair that was today? I'm late for the career fair!
Doc! I have to get into the career fair to learn more about industrial engineering. Is there anything you can do?
Great Scott, Marty, you don't know about industrial engineering? We need to fix this immediately. Meet me at the research parking lot, 1:15 a.m.
1:15 a.m.?
I've made a giant breakthrough. Meet me there.
Doc!
Quick, there's no time. We have to leave. If my calculations are correct, we need to hit 88 miles per hour.
Where the heck are we now, Doc?
Not where, Marty, but when. It's the year 1911, and this is your first lesson in industrial engineering.
Who's that guy over there with the clipboard?
He is taking measurements and recording data on how that worker is doing his job.
Okay, but why make those measurements? Doesn't he look kind of silly doing that?
Silly? There's nothing silly about motion studies. They're one of the building blocks of industrial engineering. By performing motion studies on a worker named Schmidt, Taylor was able to determine that Schmidt was the fastest shoveler at the plant, not because he worked harder, but because his movements were more efficient.
So what? Why should he care about that?
So Taylor was then able to retrain other workers to make more efficient movements. Okay, Marty, do you know why we're here?
Well, it looks like they're laying bricks.
That's correct. This is a work site of Frank and Lillian Gilbreth.
What did they do for industrial engineering?
Great Scott, Marty. Frank and Lillian built off the work of Frederick Taylor by focusing on standardizing the specific motions that workers use to perform their tasks. Their work has helped reduce time and cost required to complete many projects and has led to many improvements in manufacturing and construction. They are well known for their work in improving bricklaying and construction.
Where are we, Doc?
We're on a shop floor.
What does a shop floor have to do with industrial engineering?
Everything, my boy. Industrial engineering plays a critical role in the success of any manufacturing environment.
Well, how come there's a giant brick wall in the middle of the floor?
That wall is what separates the design engineers from the worker. That man over there is Edward Deming, and he is about to break down the wall.
They throw their designs over the wall? That seems highly inefficient.
You're right, it is. You see, Deming realized the importance of all departments working together on projects. See how wasteful being separated is? Deming created lean manufacturing to eliminate waste in production and also in other systems.
That makes a lot of sense. We are always told to work in teams in school, and effective communication always results in increased productivity.
Okay, Marty, let's ask someone from the future how industrial engineers have shaped the world.
Excuse me? What year is it?
It's 2050.
And how are industrial engineers important?
Industrial engineers are very important. They made hoverboards accessible to the public, and these power relays is affordable for everyone.
Thanks for the information.
Yep, you're welcome.
Now let's get to that career fair.
But it was yesterday.
I have a time machine.
Oh, right.